Good morning. I'm a bit extra today wearing my super glam robe. I feel so fancy and look, I have the cutest slippers. They're so comfy too. Lou, what are you doing? Get down. Get down. Happy Thanksgiving. Today I'm just going to get ready and I'm going to do my makeup, my hair, and find a cute outfit. And I just want to bring you guys along with me so we can chit chat and just have a great day. All right, let's get into it. Lou keeps trying to get my sleeves. She thinks it's like the fanciest cat toy ever.
Run over you, good kitty.
And I'm like, no, Lou, stop it. How are you guys? Are you good? I feel better today because it's finally a little bit sunny out and it's just been so gray and cloudy and rainy. It's depressing. We're going to start with some primer. This is from RMS Beauty. All over my face. So I used the Il Makiage I Woke Up Like This foundation. I also use this Fenty Beauty foundation. And I don't like getting this on my hands, which is why I do this a little differently.
Thanks, noob noob. This guy gets it.
Than most people. Blend it all out. So now I'm just going to go in with my Sculptor palette to contour a little bit. So today I'm going to my aunt's house in Idaho. And she lives like on this mountain and there's snow everywhere and it's very like Christmassy vibes. My family's getting together there for Thanksgiving and I think it'll be really fun. I am a pescatarian and I try not to eat dairy. So almost vegan, but I eat fish because a lot of Thanksgiving food definitely has dairy in it and a lot of it is meat. We'll figure it out when we get there. Okay, so now I'm going to do brows, just like the perfect color. Okay, now onto eyeshadow. So I have this Morphe Cosmetics palette. I really like it for the fall because there's a lot of like really warm colors in it. Oh my gosh. Okay, moody eye. I figured it out. So I'm gonna start with Spill Off. One thing about the Morphe palette, it's so pigmented. Like, look at that. I feel like I barely put any on the brush. Blending skills need to be top notch. Mine are alright. Now I'm gonna do the Contents Are Hot on the outside. We're doing a bold look. Purple colors are really, really fun. Alright, and then I'm just gonna do the Contents Are Hot again on the bottom. Now, I always clean up my eye with contour, so you don't really, or with concealer, so you don't really have to like, I don't worry too much about down here. Okay, so when I was in high school, I was actually bullied for like doing eye makeup at all. And I would do like a smoky eye, and I'd use like these browns and nothing like too dark. And I loved it. I thought it was so cute. And these girls would just make fun of me constantly. One day, they dressed up like me. We had like Spirit Week. I was always super into fashion. So I would wear like little heels, I would wear wedges, and I would wear like the cutest clothes. I grew up in a really small town in Oregon. Fashion wasn't really like that important. Anyway, so for Spirit Week, there was a what not to wear day, and these girls, they were like kind of popular, dressed up like me. They were like, we're Christina today, and they did this smoky eye, and they wore like brown and black together, and they wore little leg warmers. And honestly, they looked really cute, but like they got suspended because they bullied me so hard. I was crying all day. And then I like, I hate to admit this, but I literally stopped doing eye makeup for like years. I would just wear like maybe eyeliner and mascara. I would get like all glammed up for events. It just really shook my confidence, and I'm just happy to say that now I care less. So much pressure doing my eyeliner on video. Already pressure in the morning, but it's just so much more pressure because I'm like, it has to be perfect, and it's never perfect. I feel like my hair is staticky because of this robe. Okay, now I learned this makeup hack from Hilary Duff. I almost called her Lizzie McGuire. You basically put like a super light color right here on your lid and it opens your eye up. There's this like super light white sparkly color. Okay, can you guys tell a difference? I'm going to put my concealer. So, just put on the corners. I don't wear lashes because they drive me crazy. I can't put them on. I mean, if I could put them on, I'd probably wear them, but I always mess up and then I end up messing up my like eyeshadow and eyeliner, and it just is so frustrating to me. So mascara is done. I use this blush from Pixie Beauty, Tinted Moisture Stick. You may be thinking, that's a lot of blush, and I'm thinking, yeah, it is. So pretty. For my lips, I'm going to use the Revlon lip color. I used the setting spray from Pixie. It's like a glow mist. Voila. Now for my hair, it's kind of messy. I'm going to use my T3 Heat ID curling iron. I want like kind of bigger, softer curls today. I use the wet brush and it seriously has changed my life. So what am I thankful for? It's nice to kind of like understand what the holiday is about. I'm really thankful for my family. I'm thankful for the ability to like see, read. I'm thankful for food. We don't talk about this often enough, but there's just such a shortage of food and just a huge hunger problem in the world, and it makes me really sad. I'm thankful to be able to afford food and to be provided with food and survive. Thankful for resources. Just thinking about like survive, and you know, I've done a lot of work on my mental health lately, and lately as in the past like 3 years consistently, and just there's so many free resources out there that can just help you like understand yourself and understand how to fix issues that you may have felt like weren't even fixable. And I just really am grateful for those resources. Like there's even like free therapy online, and there's there's free classes that help with like a lot of different things. And anyway, so I'm really thankful for that. To have my sanity. Gosh, so much happens in this world. I'm thankful for God. Thankful for the ability to like feel safe sometimes. You know, I'm thankful for good TV shows, good cinema. I'm thankful for you guys. Thankful for YouTube. It's interesting how much more authentic it feels doing YouTube. For some reason, I feel like I can really show who I am on YouTube, and like I won't even really try. I'll be talking about fashion or something and putting outfits together. Okay, I want to think about what I'm gonna wear today. So I have this new sweater dress that's white, and I think I might wear that because it's really, really, really cute. And it's comfy, and it's warmer than it looks, so that's actually really nice. Definitely I'm gonna wear some like heels or boots with a heel because I like to dress up. I do have a video, by the way, of holiday outfit ideas. So there are some casual outfits in there and then some dressy outfits, and it's for like Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving, work parties, like anything surrounding the holidays. So I'll put a little tag card up in one of the corners. Okay, so favorite Thanksgiving food. Let me see. I don't really like Thanksgiving food. Even when I used to eat meat, like I hated turkey. It was so gross, and like I never liked it even when I was a little kid. Oh, rolls are good. I love like warming the rolls and then putting butter and jam on it. Spread, so good. I almost forgot about my aunt makes this like so these like sweet potatoes with marshmallows roasted on the top, and I just mainly get the marshmallows and a little bit of potatoes. So good. What is your favorite Thanksgiving food? We'd love if you commented below. I feel like one of my favorite Thanksgiving meals though was when I had a Friendsgiving that I hosted. And oh my gosh, my roommate made the best food. Like she just went all out, and we like Pinterested everything, but it was great. It was so fun. I was in charge of decorations and drinks and invitations, and I like made all of my friends dress up. I was like, I literally put on the invitation that it was mandatory semi-formal. And so like the day of, literally every single person called me and like or FaceTime to me. I was like, is this okay? What do I wear? Especially the guys, they spent like way too much time on the phone with me trying to figure it out, but it was so funny and everybody loved it and it was so much fun. Ooh, almost done. Okay, so drastic glam makeover. What do you guys think? My hair and makeup is very extra, but I like it. Okay, so to the closet. Here's my fluffy robe. Here's my fluffier robe. Okay, anyways. This one. So this white sweater dress is what I was initially thinking. Okay, so now jacket time. I think, ooh, this could be cute. Yeah, this is gonna make it like fancier. I can like always go fancier. Hi, Lou, sorry. Say hi. Oh, good kitty. Okay, so this is the final outfit. Our cute boots, and then of course a super fluffy coat, so I am going to be so warm. And then my Chanel bag. I have this chain detail earring on this side, and then this just silver chain necklace. Okay, so we have the cute boots going on. There's a little like lion on the side, and I actually really like how they're like open right here. I feel like it's more flattering, a bit more slimming. And then this coat is so warm, which is perfect because I'm going to be in the snow in Idaho, and I'm so excited. And then the dress is just so cute, and of course I had to put on some tights to just make me even warmer. And then my Chanel bag, which is very precious to me. It was a gift. Okay, so here is my detail silver earring, and I will link this below for you, and then the heart earring. Okay, so I'm gonna be a little extra and put on my Kuromi Melody bracelet. It's so cute. Look at all these little charms. Thank you. I'll link this below. Okay, I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. Thank you for getting ready with me today, and please comment below what you're thankful for and what your favorite Thanksgiving food is and your plans for Thanksgiving. And I'm excited to spend the day with my family. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.